Alright, I'm changing the oil right now in this Tecumseh yard machines 8 horsepower snowblower, and I just made this video so people can quickly search and see what the oil change capacity is for this. We're here at the Synthetic Warehouse Amsoil store in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. But anyway, I just drained the oil. The landlord, I have the same machine at home, but the landlord was nice enough to leave this here for me, and he said he just never changed the oil, so I just pulled that plug. I used the vice grips on that because the whole rod was spinning, so I pulled that, and yeah, it was really dark black. Who knows what was in there? Probably the original oil. It looks like a fairly new, but he did tell me it's been a few years since he changed it. So I'm putting in the 100% synthetic Amsoil small engine oil. It should be worth a few RPMs increase. And before the snow started about 3 months ago, I did run the Amsoil quick shot to clean up the intake and a stabilizer just so it's ready when I needed it. So yeah, the quick shot cleans up the whole intake, gets your valves clean. On another snowblower, I use that product. Here it is right here, just so you can see the quick shot here. Just from the carbon buildup, it'll really improve the performance. As if you lost a horsepower or two, you're gaining that back. You'll actually see it throw the snow the proper distance once you've done that. But anyway, this, I looked it up. The engine, if you want to see where the engine number is, right there is the label for the engine, and it says model number HMSK-80. So I wrote that here on the side of the bottle just so you could see. So that's the 8 horsepower unit. So look yours up just to double check, and that takes 26, it doesn't say it here, but it takes 26 ounces. So the Amsoil small engine oil, which the product code is ASE, Alpha Sierra Echo. On the side of the bottle, it has the handy ounce marks on here. So what I do is, each one of these are 4 ounces. I bring it down just a little bit short of what it needs so I can check that dipstick. I'm going to put it down about between the 8 and the 12 here. And then I'm going to check this dipstick tube, which is really hard to see when you have, you know, almost clear oil on it. So let's do that real quick and we'll see if it actually takes 26 ounces. Alright, I filled the crankcase full of oil. The engine is still warm because I heated it up before. I turned it over a few revolutions and checked it, and I actually got 24. I put 24 ounces in there. My mark was right at 22, and I wanted to check it there, but it only has 8 ounces left in the bottle, so that's 24, 5, 6, yeah, 2 to 3 ounces short of what the capacity says. Let's see what the dipstick says. Hopefully you can see this. It's actually more clear if you look at the back, but it's below, just right below that full line. It's kind of hard to see in the way the light is. Yeah, right there you go. You can see that right there. So it's right below that full line. So even though online it said 26 ounces, I got it right to 24, and it seems on the money. So now I'm going to go plow the snow, and I'll take another video of where it is after about an hour. Alright, this is the next day. I've used this snowblower a few times, and I haven't checked the dipstick. I just want to see if it's where it was. Sorry for the low light here. I put my van in the way of these lights here. It's kind of dim. The lights haven't warmed up all the way, but so I just pulled this out. It's been sitting here for a day, 24 hours at least. And according to what I see here, yeah, it's right at the full mark. So that amount was the correct amount. I'm just about there. Now you can see it pretty good. I'm about 4 ounces shy of what Tecumseh says officially. So that solves that problem. Always be sure when you park these things to turn off the fuel valve. So anyway, thanks again for watching our videos, and subscribe. It helps us out here at Synthetic Warehouse. Thank you.